Hello, welcome to this week's vlog. It's Monday the 22nd of July. It's been a really busy morning so far. A lot of cars in and out today. If you could please like this video and subscribe to the channel, it always helps. I was in here yesterday just to do some paperwork, just to catch up on some stuff, and somebody said that they'd left their license here. So I asked Regal and he said no. He would have given them their license back after he checked it, but they were determined that he hadn't given his license back. So I ended up having a bit of an argument with the guy. He's now just come back this morning, and I wasn't here, but he was trying to apologise to me as he had found it in his bag. Welcome to Wednesday. This one might just jump about. I didn't get any filming done yesterday, so it's probably going to jump from Monday to Wednesday if I put out a video at all this week. It was just too hectic, there's too much stuff going on, I didn't have the chance to record. An absolute massive cruise ship in today. I've just seen it when I was driving down to work there in the distance, the Caribbean Princess, and everyone's set to come in just before 8 o'clock for cars. So it's now 7 o'clock. I'm down here to get the last one done for going out today. If you enjoyed this vlog, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks.
How many cars do you have for hire?
At the moment around 40 mark.
Oh God. And are they all out?
Every single thing. Out all summer, so
Yeah.
Another car added onto the fleet, so busy we had to go and get more vehicles. This one is 1.5 petrol R5 Golf. Cool colour, cool interior. Might do a review on this one compared to an electric ID3. Just a comparison to see what the difference is. See if the petrol's any better than the electric. Hello, it's Thursday. 2 cruise ships in today. First one is just coming in right now. It's the Ambassador Ambience, and that's going to be in within the next half an hour or something like that, I think. So they should be in around about 8:30, 9 o'clock for their cars. Second cruise ship today is the Costa Favolosa. Looks like it's a good bit out. It's probably only going to be in about lunchtime. So we've got a few cars out first thing this morning, going out for the day off the cruise ships, and then we've got another load going out at lunchtime for the afternoon.
Yeah, we the Welsh Museum one day telling because
yeah.
the end was if you watched it, there was a Mr. Peace was driving noise,
That would have been my granddad. Yeah. He was only about 12. Was he 12 when he started driving the lorries to help build the barrier? Yeah.
And then she did bad things like that.
Yeah. I've got a lighter that the Italian Prisoners of War made for him with his name engraved on it. Yeah.
It's Friday morning. It's been another extremely busy day. We've also got another busy day coming up tomorrow with the Schiff back in again. So it's all go this weekend. Welcome to Saturday. It's just after 7:30 in the morning. The Schiff is in again. That bloody seagull. What the hell, mate? Hello, it's Tuesday the 30th of July. Busy day, the sol is just coming in. Hello, welcome to Thursday the 1st of August. I apologise for this vlog, it's going to be completely mixed up, all the dates, all the times, what's going on. It's been actually far too busy, I've just not had any time to record, so I'm very sorry about that. Today though, we have got another huge cruise ship in, every single thing is out once again. I think it's the man Schiff in today, and then there's another one in tomorrow, I can't remember the name of it, I'll find out. Yeah.
The hire's 105. Would you like to pay with this card as well? Would you like to pay for this card? Yeah. You're doing good. My accent, my fault.
Well, I'm just gonna say that now. That was the busiest morning I've ever seen here. 9 o'clock until 11 o'clock, just full, non-stop, just ridiculously packed out. They were queued right down the street. Right down across the drive over there, and the pavement. And the best thing is, they all go out again tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, so they all come back tonight at 5, and they all need to be washed for tomorrow morning. Great heavens, this place is so busy, I am shattered. I actually think I'm run down this week. That's probably why I've not done any recording. Hello.
Hello,
How's it going?
everything is good.
Yeah.
Very good car.
Did you manage to refuel?
Refuel?
Yes. Yeah. I'll just give a check over for you. Thank you.
Refuel we have made.
Bum, 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 bum. Beautiful weather.
Beautiful weather.
It's always like this. I wish. All good?
Very good stones you have.
Yeah.
Here, ganz klar.
Very nice ones.
Huh?
This is your souvenirs. Did you steal them? Stole them from the beach?
Yes.
Whereabouts does your cruise head to next? What's the next stop on your cruise?
Regal.
Oh, Greenock.
And then
Okay.
Belfast.
Okay, so you're going all.
Southampton.
So you're going all the way around. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
everything is good?
That's all sorted. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Cars, 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 and more cars. All need washed for tomorrow morning first thing. Let's go. Whoop. And that's the end of the day. I'm absolutely shattered. Ridiculous how busy that was. About 48 in or out today. Well, I'll just tell you how busy it was. It was that busy. It was that busy that this stapler wouldn't manage to go through the receipts. That's how busy it was. Good morning, it's Friday the 2nd of August. Another big cruise ship in today, the Preziosa. It is now 6:25 in the morning. I'm in early to get the last 4 cars washed for this morning. Let's go. I'm absolutely knackered and still half sleeping. Boom. The people who had this one enjoyed the beach so much, they decided to take it with them. This is a new first for me. First time vacuuming the outside of a car. I'm just in at the office. It's 10 o'clock on Sunday the 4th of August. Just trying to sort out some emails. I've got an email today that's just brightened up my day. Hi Alan, Graham and Kieran, just want to finally thank you all for the magnificent effort in supplying us with a hire car during our brief stay. We will always be grateful for the way in which you helped to make our Orkney visit more enjoyable. Without the car hire, our holiday would have been a normal routine visit. Your help in supplying a car hire provided us with a far more enjoyable holiday. We would have no hesitation in using you again on any future Orkney visits, albeit with more notice next time. Thanks very much to the person who sent that. That's brightened up my day. It makes all the stress worth it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you could also subscribe to the channel, that would be a great help. Until next time, we'll see ya.